I am been invited here as a speaker. I represent the government of Maharashtra. I'm a joint secretary and OSD to the chief minister, and I predominantly look at infra, tech, policy, and investments in the state. I'm absolutely excited and thrilled to be here because I have never seen anything like this ever. The kind of companies that I'm seeing here, the kind of speakers, the kind of ecosystem is really remarkable. So I'm here to learn and understand what Dubai is doing as far as AI is concerned. As far as India is concerned, my state, Maharashtra, is the leader for AI, and my city, Mumbai, is known as the AI capital of the country. So we are looking at various partnerships. We are looking at talking to companies. We are looking at government to government agreements. We are seeing how we can foster innovation and training and skills development around AI. So that's my primary objective of being here. Yeah, I'm very optimistic because anybody or anyone who is relevant in the field of AI is here, and it's a great platform to meet people because there are so many new ideas, and especially for policymakers like me, AI is a new space, and every single day things are changing. So, as a regulator, as a policymaker, it's very important for me to understand what are the newer things that are happening in the world of AI and adapt them so that we can foster innovation and AI development in the country. It's a tricky thing to do. AI has so many things that it impacts. So we have to tread this path cautiously. But at the same time, it's better to understand the tech a little bit better for the development of society. Yeah. So so AI basically as a broad spectrum remains the same, but depending on the application of sectors, the policy making, the interventions will vary. Like for example, the impact that AI can have in healthcare, it can have in agriculture, it can have in financial services, it can have in infrastructure development, it can have in green energy. There are various aspects. If the choice is on the government, what you need to tweak, the broad space is that you need to encourage. It's remarkable. I mean, I love the fact that what Sheikh Hamdan has been able to put, His Highness. I mean, his vision of putting this entire thing together and getting the best minds in the world to come and work is just remarkable. And it's something that we will recreate in Mumbai.